Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is that you are watching this. I hope you're having an awesome day so far. We have a calendar to do, don't we? Okay, Mrs. Hensley's going to move it a little bit closer so you can see, okay? Okay, there we go. Okay, we need to know what today is. What month are we in? I believe it starts with a short O and it says ah, 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 October. 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 What comes after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it is a bat. So today is October the 7th, 2020. Okay, what day of the week is it? We can look up here. It starts with a what. Here we go. There's 7 days. There's 7 days. There's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days. There's 7 days. There's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This day starts with a what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What? Wednesday. Good job. Today is Wednesday. Do you see it starts with a W? Wednesday. Okay, what will tomorrow be? What comes after Wednesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? That naughty TH that says where you get to stick out your tongue. Thursday starts with a T and an H that says Thursday. Okay, so tomorrow will be Thursday. What comes before Wednesday? Because the day that comes before Wednesday was yesterday. So what comes before Wednesday? And I believe it starts with a T. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, T. Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, T. Tuesday, Wednesday. Does Tuesday come before Wednesday? It sure does. Kiss your brain. Oh, my brain is so smart. Tuesday starts with a T. Tuesday. Okay. So, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday, friends. Okay. Let's look over here. I'm going to move you just a little bit so you can see. We're adding a straw and a tally. Oh, Mrs. Hensley has to, here it is. Good, I've got it right here. A straw and a tally to the number of days that we have been in school. So 1 straw for 1 day of school, which is today. Okay, so let's count. There's 10 in these. 10, 20. Okay, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Let's add a tally and see if it is 29. Here we go. We're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So yes, it has a 29 on there. 29, friends, doesn't it? Okay, now we need to write the date for today. So I'm sorry, friends, I have to move you. Actually, I think I moved my whole laptop yesterday because I liked it from this view better, didn't I? Okay. Oh, Mrs. Hensley. Oh, I do have an orange, but I don't know if we'll be able to see it on here. No, not going to be able to see it. So let's use brown. Okay. What number is October? Okay, so let's see. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. 10. So we will write 10. And today is October the 7th, 20. Okay, then I hope you can see that. Okay, then Mrs. Hensley is going to do the abbreviation for October. O-C-T period, finger space 7, 2020. And now I'm going to write out the whole word, October. Finger space 7, 2020. So our date is 10-7-20, Oct, which is the abbreviation for October, Oct 7, 2020, October 7th, 2020. So that is our date for today. Okay, this is a flag up here. Who knows what flag that is? The United States of America flag, or we call it the American flag, and it has how many stripes? 13 stripes for the 13 colonies and 50 stars for the states that we have in the United States. So 50 stars, 13 stripes. Stars are for the states, 13 stripes for the colonies. And it's the American flag or the United States of America flag. Okay? What is this? That is the Statue of Liberty. And where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York Harbor. New York Harbor in New York, New York. Okay? Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, let's see a little bit about what we're doing today, okay? Okay, let's see here. Today we are going to, for phonemic awareness, we are going to have a beginning sounds activity, okay? We are doing our letter sound cards. I love doing the cards. And we have a letter sound fluency that we're doing, okay? So it's the same as what we normally do when we do letter word sound. The page is going to look just a little different, and that's okay, okay? We are writing in our October journal today. We're reviewing our vocabulary words, and we're reading a story called Senses by the Seashore. Okay, and you're going to draw and tell me something that you see, feel, hear, taste, and see, smell, feel, taste, and hear at the seashore. Okay, and I forgot about math. In math, it's a surprise. Okay. There'll be a video. I will give you a video, and then you're going to send me a voice recording or a video back. I would really like a video. So I think I'm going to put in there video. Okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. I want you to tell me something good. Tell me something good. No negative anything. Okay? Something good. Okay, I don't want to hear grumpiness. I don't want to hear complaining or whining. I want something good. I like to hear good things because that puts Mrs. Hensley in an awesome mood. And I love being in an awesome mood. So I can't wait to hear the good thing that you're going to tell me. Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome, wonderful Wednesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.